What's up, everybody? It's Amrinder Singh, and you are listening to Learn Punjabi like a native podcast. The main purpose of this podcast is to teach you conversation in Punjabi and tell the difference between textbook type Punjabi and the real conversation in Punjabi. Now, let's kick this thing off.
Today we will learn Punjabi slang, bindh, pichho. So these are three words: bindh, ka, pichho. So before knowing the meaning of this slang, we need to know the meaning of every single word, right? So let's take first bindh. So what is the meaning of bindh in Punjabi? Actually, bindh means a very little or very short time. It could be a second or millisecond. And there another word in Punjabi, pala. Pala means also like a millisecond, something like that. So now actually we use seconds, but very old generation, I think they use these kind of names, bindh and pala. So when we have to tell the time, we don't use it anymore, but in our slangs these words still exist. All right, yeah, even normal talking we use the when. For example, if somebody asks me like when will you come back, right? If I'm going to come back very soon, I can say like bendik nu aunga. Bendik nu aunga is mean like I'll be back soon, right? So here I'm using bendik nu aunga. So it is very informal language, guys. You won't heard it from a city people, you won't heard it from a teacher, or you won't heard it from book. All right. So let's take second word ka. So sometimes ka doesn't mean anything, it's just our accent. We use it a lot like kadok aayega, right? So here ka doesn't mean anything. I'm just asking like when will you come? I I can say kadon amega, but I can also say kadon kamega. This is our accent, that's how we talk, right? But the ka meaning could be approximately. So if I give you example, for example, you asked me how many people were in the party, and I'm not sure, but I'm just guessing, and I can say approximately there were 20 people, right? In Punjabi, I would say like 20 ਕੁ ਜਾਣੇ ਸੀ 20 ਕੁ ਜਾਣੇ ਸੀ. So as you noticing, I'm using ka, so it's mean like they were around like a 20, so but I'm not sure, right? So let's take last word, pichho. Pichho means behind, but sometimes it could be like after. Like if I give you example, especially when we use a pichho in this slang, it's going to be after. For example, you are doing something and I wanna talk to you, so that's why I'm interrupt you, but you are keep focusing on your work. So that time I can like say to you like ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ 5 ਮਿੰਟਾਂ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਕਰ ਲਈ, ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ 5 ਮਿੰਟਾਂ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਕਰ ਲਈ. It's mean I'm saying to you like you can talk to me now, so but you can do that work after 5 minutes. So here pichon doesn't mean behind, so it means like after, right? Like you can talk to me now and you can do that work after 5 minutes. So let's take another example. If you ask me when will I come back, right? So I can say thode k chir pichon aunga. So here pichon doesn't mean behind, it mean after. Thode k chir nu aunga. Thode k chir nu aunga. So thode means here little. Chair means like a time. Ka like a approximately. Anga means come. All right, थोड़े की चेर नु आऊंगा. So और थोड़े की चेर पिछू आऊंगा. Sorry, so I didn't mean the थोड़े की चेर नु आऊंगा, I mean थोड़े की चेर पिछू आऊंगा. I can say both way, थोड़े की चेर नु आऊंगा और थोड़े की चेर पिछू आऊंगा. So if I say थोड़े की चेर पिछू आऊंगा, it mean I'll be back after some time or after very little time, all right? So anyway, let's learn the meaning of whole slang. Bindh pichho. So it means like when somebody do something, like I don't know how to say it in one sentence in English. I think it's kind of back and forth when you do something back and forth. Like if somebody is laughing back and forth, right? So you can say like ਤੂੰ ਬਿੰਦਕ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਹੱਸ ਪੈਣਾ ਤੂੰ ਬਿੰਦਕ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਹੱਸ ਪੈਣਾ it means that person is laughing back and forth. I'm not sure it's back and forth, but I think so. For example, if somebody is laughing, then he stopped and then he laughed again on little things. Like he was doing it like a lot, right? He was laughing. So that time you can say "ਤੂੰ ਬਿੰਦਕ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਹੱਸ ਪੈਣਾ ਤੂੰ ਬਿੰਦਕ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਹੱਸ ਪੈਣਾ." It means you are laughing, right? Like a back and forth. Yeah, you can say back and forth. I'm not sure, but that's what it means. For example, if there's a baby and who like a cry and then he stops and then he cry, or you can say ਉਹ ਬਿੰਦਕ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਰੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਉਹ ਬਿੰਦਕ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਰੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦਾ it's mean he cried after a very little time. So that's what it means. Yeah, you it doesn't mean like he is doing very short period time, but if he is keep doing and if you notice and he is doing, you can use this slang. I'll give you another example. For example, your friend like a teasing with you and you told him to stop teasing with you, right? And he stopped, but after a few times he started teasing again. You told him to stop, he stopped, and after a few times, after some time, and he started teasing again. That time you can say, "ਤੂੰ ਟਿਕ ਜਾਣਾ ਬਿੰਦਕ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਚੌੜ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣਾ," right? Take a mean like you can be calm or you can just like uh stop teasing, right? Chord means like a tease, right? To take jana bendak pichon chord karan lag jana. It's mean like he is teasing with you, right? After a little time again and again, or he was teasing with you back and forth, I think maybe. So if I give you another example, for example, somebody eats a lot. Eats a lot not a once. I mean, he takes like a lot of meals during the daytime, maybe 8 or 9, maybe 7 or 8. So that time, if you wanna say to him like, you are taking a lot of meals, not a lot of like, if you wanna tell him like, you keep eating after like little time, or you are like you keep eating back and forth. Yeah, you can say that. So in Punjabi you say ਤੂੰ ਬਿੰਦਕ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਖਾਣ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣਾ ਤੂੰ ਬਿੰਦਕ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਖਾਣ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣਾ, right? So it's mean like you start eating again after a few time, after some time, or after a little time. That's what it means. So anyway guys, I hope you learned something new today. I'll be back with another lesson another day.